matches when no so ese eto20 as ye di nkoma ansa na ye di World Cup ho enso enkoma kakra eno ada wokọ fan league ana matches mienu na etotwa team and dinadi start the braswa wo mutena fiem wo mudi record de bada wo muti AS Monaco ebo matena ba comment ansa na Limetropole enso eto Olympic Dumase ebo matena ba ko a wo mentimante eno ye matches etotwa eno ada fan league ana na no pen ye kete kakra edi ama ene matches aka na etwende 3 matches na eba so non tibobo kono mo tenafie wo mo any LCD loans na edisi ni anse na ba benya Limetropole wo mo any trouble bobo kono ebo yenye PSG wo mo ni stade Rene ana ebonti eno aye matches a etodwa na etena the other matches aka ni nyina etwene OGC ni bobo kono wo mo tenafie wo mo Angers na ebo ana fe AJ Ojel wo mo any Mets ebo na fe Le Havre bobo kono atwen Paris FC me bato Laurent enso any aye Lyon na edisi ni tiwe aye matches a etotwa ewo aye friend league ana na no peno ye ka tire kakra ade ama wansisi ahodo nyina eso na de tiene wuko mo league log no so eso aye de yie papa sisa na niama koye ebianka wadwe ye se PSG wo mo na table no mo leading pato LCD loans bobo konomo ana tese wo mo so league no mo lead with 31 points PSG toss me no wo mo 30 points yenya Olympic Dumase wo mo toss me ansa wo mo 29 points na fe Limetropole atosu na wo 29 points when you start Rene wo mo tosu enum wo 24 points and then Leon bobo kono atosu nsia na reporter aba ewo dwumade so Mason Greenwood abant na to na wono na abont na dodo na our friend league anum 10 goals ne kra no wo ba benya Brantani Dean edi Juan Panachili wono ekra 9 goals wo benya Esteban El Lepo wo kra 8 goals afe Brantani Dean edi Ilan Kaba enso ekra 6 goals Sofian drop ekra 6 na wo ba benya Romantic Castello wono enso ekra 6 goals and Brady Bakola ana fa Brantani Dean enso edi Hamza Egamani wono enso ekra 5 goals enum Joao Neves wono enso ekra 5 goals dodo na enso totoza tibese ene amekoya enso 40 and 5 goals no gusu ekra mu entim ano aye report free friendly gun edi eba odumadi so ma yewram kakra na enko echarance ya na yeni nkoba kakra uko echarance ya na matches etotwa no ye miensa pe adiasa Fiorentina bobo kono omukọ akoto Sassuolo na feso mo game net atware Inter eni common ebo Haras Verona women Atalanta adi se na Atalanta matches atware no Cremonese women anso eni Lecce na ebo ubenya Cagliari Calcio women eni Roma ebo SS Lazio eni Bologna na ebo na Verona Napoli women Juve na ebo nti eni a big game fixture so Atalanta awe cherensre na no pe no ya ketre dia Monday Night Football yebenya pisa omom eni Parma bobo kono with isi Calcio ni Genoa ebo na fe Torino eni AC Milan game no etma 20 wo league table no so AC Milan na LED 28 points and the Cromo Napoli atosumi no mo 28 and Sana 27 points no ekra Inter mo tosumi ansa and na no AS Roma wo so 27 points ansa no benya Como wo 24 wo ba benya Bologna wo tosu sia no so 24 points and so nkoma kakra ne e ba mnanto mo bo antana ne dia Lautaro Martinez ekra 6 goals wo ba benya Ricardo Oslani wo ekra 6 goals Christian Pulisic ekra 5 goals wo Nico Pass ekra 5 goals afi Akanta Hanoglu wonum nso ekra 5 goals wo Rafael Leao Zambo Anguissa ekra 4 ana Rafael Leao ekra 5 goals ansana duto na enso to so Andrea Panamonte wo munyina enso ekra 4 eno ye reporter etota efi Terence Ria eba ewo dwumadi so na no peye ketre adiama na menko German Bundesliga yendi nkoba kakra eno da game ba ko pene toda Borussia Mönchengladbach eno a wo abo atena ba ko Brantani Dean edi Dacosta ongo hana onya edi tia Menso 5 eno da the only goal na PM no eno na so mu krama Menso 5 enso entemante na matches academy na etrende Osberg go ko no mo tenafie wo mane bind of Leverkusen and edi se na FC Cologne wo mane St Pauli ebo ye benya hade ne momon and Fraggle bobo ko no and edi se na se wo ba benya Stuttgart wo mane Bayern game no etrende Volkswagen bobo ko ne Union Berlin na ebo wo ba benya RB Leipzig wo mo enso and Eintracht Frankfurt edi se ni tero ye matches etodwa atena ye 2 matches per and beba so Hamburger SV wo mane Fata Bremen Nevo na fe Borussia Dortmund enso atena fe Signal Iduna Park no mo enso ani tie di Hofian and edi se ni tero ye big game akwa ebetodwa tena na no pe no ye de onkoba kakra edi Adam wo eba league table no so di Bia, Bayern Munich Comuna LED 34 points de Cromo after 12 matches. After RB Leipzig, Wamotosumi, 26 points. Yababenya Borussia Dortmund, Wamotosumi, 25 points. After Wabenya Bayern of Leverkusen, Wamatosu 9, Wamonsom 23 points. Asana, Tia Tofia, and Swaba with 23 points. And also Komaka Kranye, Hurricane Abantina Tuana, 14 goals Nekrano, Jonathan Baggett, and Sunom, Ekra 8 goals. After Dennis Woodruff, and so Ekra 7 goals. Abrantani Din Eddie Harris, Tabakovic, Wadum, and so Ekra 7 goals. When Luis Diasa, Wadum Sukra 7, Michel Kane, and answer Michael Kane, Michael Olise Radam Pato. Michael Olise and some ekra 6 goals Wababenya Abranta the other can Wuzan Wadukra 5 goals of Christopher Pungatson and so ekra 5 goals and also a reporter Eba Jumedia Sanano Peno Yadon Kobakakra at the Danwo.
Okay, away from Germany, young Twanso Spain. Now, my main phantom is a weekend where matches I was La Liga. No, dear Tennessee, Andra Friday, Estadio Carlos, and I say Estadio Carlos Tashiari. Young team from Seria of Yedo Timno, Woman at Tinafina, Omani Mayoka, Ebo Golas draw, Wabia and Timon Fabo, Antonio Quatemti, Andra Game a Bass, when you say team from Seria of Yedo, Woman ya 2 red cards, Nemono, Tima, ya from say Mayoka and Timan Shomo. Now, the testing I'm doing Saturday. About 1 o'clock p.m. Villa Rebetenefi, or Estadio di Ceramica, Woman Gatefe Enebo, and watch 3:15 p.m. Deportivo Alaves, or Estadio Mendizorosa, Woman Real Suicidad, after about 5:30 p.m. Real Batistin Ebetenefi, or Estadio di Cataanase di La Catuja, Woman FC Barcelona Enebo, a Tibasa game Yamiadma and Enmere, 5:30 p.m. and Ebaso away, na Athletic Club de Bebao Ebetenefi, our San Mamés Barrier, woman Athletic Club, and I say Atletico Madrid, 8 o'clock p.m. Nyankupoya Duma Wachina Sunday, 1 o'clock p.m. Elche, our Estadio Juan Martinez Valero, woman Ebo Girona, and watch Valencia, our Mestalla, woman Sevilla Enebo, Espanyol Ebetenefi, our Estadio Conela de Llobregat, woman Ebo Rayo Vallecano, na Real Madrid Atenefi, our Santiago Bernabeu, Nyamia Duma, watching 8 o'clock p.m. woman Celta de Vigo Enebo, Nyankupayadma Monday 8 o'clock p.m. Osasuna El Estadio El Sada, woman Levante Enebo. Now after match week 15, and I say we after match week 14, our La Liga, the attention a team from Barca, woman Edikai. Now Barca team out 37 points, and which Real Madrid Tosumino, one more 36 points, Villarreal Tosumino, a more 32, and which team from Atletico Madrid, woman Tosuna, a more 31, and after Betis Atosu Enuma, woman so our 24 points. Now the attention Pichichi, our top scorer, our La Liga, now the attention Okospena, Mame Fantuman say I Kylian Mbappe, 116 goals, and what Ferran Torres, Robert Lewandowski, and Varat Morugi, woman in Asha 8 goals, Ubenya Abrata Julian Alvarez, was 7 goals, after Alberto Malero, 1 Eta Young, Omuna Asha 6 goals, after Juan Hernandez, Perry Miller, Boja Iglesias, Lami Yamal, Vinicius Jr., and Mikel Oyazaba, woman in Asha 5 goals apiece, and on a penny update, Emma Tilfonia El Shonoso, after Ian Free Spain, na Yan Twasu El England, na Uber Premier League, me front one say weekend winner, a match week 15, and a Ebanso, na the test Yamiadma and a Saturday lunch time at 12:30 p.m. El Villa Park, Aston Villa El Fie, woman Arsenal and Ebo, na Villa Phone El Phone Bruta, and Hizo, especially so Omotifi El Villa Parker, and I'm paying the dress and say Arsenal for no, woman so El Phone Pana, a Arsenal team no, woman El Premier League table, so na Arsenal El Quarry, woman Aston Villa and Ebo, Mikel Teta, a manager, and my Gunners Arsenal, manager say Yafa to be say game no, a moment Panemo Omushanimo, Sinamiadma, and then we give my Emerson or Marine, and yet Aston Villa, way Arsenal manager, Yafa say Mikel Teta.
I don't know. I don't think we have to get to that stage. But the only thing I said is whenever it's possible to help and give the players an extra day or hours to fulfill the maximum potential, let's do it. That's it. We are ready. We are ready from today for tomorrow's game. That's for sure. For what they've been doing, the way they've been playing and winning matches, certainly is a team that it's in great form. And we know that. We know obviously the manager and the incredible job that he's done there as well. So we know the task tomorrow, but we always take it as an opportunity.
Okenti Mikel Arteta and our tenant say omuni madwuma do mani nyame adoma ene nemum a great opportunity and my team from say Arsenal say ometimi 3 points na fe wo matwem Premier League table no so na eno akiri ma me fa to anim say ene about 3 o'clock pm your best 5 games eba so Premier League num na okọ Vitality Stadium Bournemouth Everton afie omuni Chelsea enable na Bournemouth team no omohira any form bebre nemum wo ha adwene pa wa hwe a wo ebetimi asa Anya Ediagu Garemu na Mekai Palances in Chelsea team no Gum Kosha 1-0 Vitality Stadium Christopher Nkunku and Albeka game na emu deeper and onya the only goal and my Chelsea name of return fixture about so Stamford Bridge no sa game equate 2-2 na Obeka Chelsea last game omoboye ewa we editor Leeds United opinion first Mikel Anasa opinion first Enzo Maresca wo rotation e ma ko fan sembe bere bai na manager say yamfa to obianim say game emube this time around wajidi pass Chelsea team ebetimanya win e dey tia Bournemouth yet Chelsea one manager your friend say Enzo Maresca.
No, it's just again it's always the same thing, you know. When you pick 11 players and you win, everything is fine. When you pick 11 players and you don't win, there is always the reason why. For sure, again, I think we playing with 10 players for 1 hour and then after 3 days go to Leeds is not the best situation for us, but in the future, in case happen, we need to be
okay, the Blues of Chelsea, my manager fence Enzo Maresca, and I'm watching Kana and watching. Mamma Fantuman say Oko Hill, Dixon Stadium, your Everton team of your Nottingham Forest and Elbow, and watch the Sky Blues of Man City, one match of your Etienne Stadium, one and Sunderland and Elbow, not Sunderland for this season. We shall I Casselman watch pa, not Sunderland as Chelsea, Sunderland and Liverpool, Ebo draw, Sunderland and Arsenal, Ebo draw, say, the other almost a Man City. Na City Tenafie Pep Guardiola a manager at the Sky Blues of Manchester City manager na say game omobo Eretia Sunderland Eden Yentia City one manager first Pep Guardiola.
Only I can say, from my humble opinion, they deserve where they are. When you play new promoted, play 3 games, 4 games, 5 games, okay, momentum. Can happen. But have 14 fixtures in this Premier League, in these opponents, like everyone, City the first, suffer every single games, you know, to take results and be in that position, they deserve it. If you tell me what they do, there are 4 or 5 or 6 items, concepts they do, all of them they do well. Otherwise,
okay, where City boss first Pep Guardiola and our tenenka say no say team from say Sunderland no enye by fluke enye mampamirika eno mutuo nemum de tese omo deserve omo bomo moden ene say wo Premier League table so Sunderland team no wo mo toso be se sisa omo bo adwuma pa eno aye Pep Guardiola ene de sansem atudwa na eno akiri me fa to anim say okọ St James Park Newcastle United Everton afie wo ane Burnley ene bo eno akiri Tottenham Hotspur e ofie wo mo so ne Brentford enable na awon say team from Tottenham Hotspur wouldn't say omo tifie no omo bobo a eya na enkoye ne omo kwa we na enkoye wouldn't say this season e Premier League nim no we first mark their team from Tottenham Hotspur wo mo trafie every game Tottenham Hotspur wo mo Premier League games omo Premier League nim ana say wo bo e ofie ni nyina no wo every bi ene omo ne team from Brentford enable eti ye hwe say Thomas Frank e betimi akonjo magic na fa team je from Tottenham Hotspur etima win game no area Brentford team no na the team say ene about 5:30 p.m. Elland Road Leeds United ofie wom ene Liverpool enable na Liverpool manager Ancelotti yenim say Liverpool team no say enoma enhira enkoye consistency enya djuma Liverpool nemum Liverpool manager first Ancelotti akasa yintie Ancelotti.
Yeah, we do, but I think every Premier League game is a physical test, especially the way team play against us. But not only that, it's also the best athletes in the world play in the Premier League. So every game you play is a physical test, let alone an away game where indeed, as I know, and you probably even know better than me, the fans that are.
Okay, where Ancelotti Liverpool manager and our tenant can Ancelotti say Premier League game ya bobiano physically e ma hwagaza hu ginabre esanse physical and as physicality e Premier League game ebe chomo say yes e was obo homoden and no Liverpool manager fence Ancelotti and this sansem atudwa na Nyankopon aduma ochino Sunday 2:00 p.m. Brighton and Hove Albion womo trafi American Express Community Stadium womo any West Ham United enable na fe ebo 4:30 p.m. Fulham Atenfio Craven Cottage. Now I'm gonna Crystal Palace game abaso. Afinyami Adma Monday 8 o'clock p.m. Wolverhampton Wanderers. Whom Atenfio El Millennium Stadium. Whom any the Red Devils of Manchester United enable. Now my main Fatima say after match week 14, our Premier League criminal. The Gunners Arsenal and the kind. One more 33 points. And watch the Sky Blues of Man City. One more Tosumian almost 28 points. After Aston Villa Tosumian, one more 27 points. Chelsea Tosunai, one more 24 points. Crystal Palace, one more Tosunum, almost 23. And after Sunderland team Tosu in Sia, one more so 23 points. Now the attention top scoring chart of Premier League criminal. A Man City striker first Ellen Haaland, one lady can watch 15 goals. And watching I go Thiago, one more Brentford or 11 goals. Your Danny Welbeck and Jean Philippe Mateta, woman Asha 7 goals. After Antoine Semenyo 6 goals. Your Brian Mbuemo, Pedro Neto, Phil Foden, Richarlison, and after Nick Votamada. Woman Swing Asha 5 goals apiece. And I'm a pioneer update. Emma Tiafoina El Shono.
Well, okay, so young Twasana, young 5 day Tinibi, and now with Jumedia. I can't say, Oko YouTuber, and I live in tea. I am no subscribing now at me about Jumedia. Now, young Tony Kaka, young Red Cup. Now, Yendi Red Cup on Koma Kaka 2026 June. And yes, so on the 19th of July, not just a and so about Nabia, and that draw no at me baso, and Sampi na Epia, Namian South Africa. Yabesas, Yedikaka Tosa, and Yasu call South Africa sweat to and Nijan said any more crowd because they are no more expecting as is here. A man in Anka baby will be up Canada, USA, Canada, USA. Now, Okacho be so who apply Okohe, Ubako Mexico now say, Hodi Okoye deho, Nampato, Yanam South Africa for the Nigeria for any Diajan, Yasam Kotwakra. Na Yasin Kofono Benako South Africa. And the first game of South Africa, Wamo Elbow, World Cup no more, and Suni Mexico na Elbow, and the Anope Yadi Aba, Ubaka 2010 Ghana, Yako quarter fananka, Yahenankaja, Yakodu semi fanano, our 2010 World Cup at Tota, our South Africa first gamer, Wamudi open air game now, and against Mexico, after 2026, and also opener, our South Africa, Asenya, and also against Mexico. Na enya sam gotomwa ebia monsadanka na wodwani wo Facebook YouTuber mbeka kakana tese eno so etimi aboa ewo enchisa wodo gina so na nyame anim ne eno ada de announcement ne esikoye yede ne nyina ade eba ewo adwumadie so na wohwem din padia reporter de anom enso eba ne wobaka na no data se eto edwano na enya sam goto na we Mexico no eye babia ye for Estadio Azteca eno anomokwa kobo game no 88,000 seater capacity and a test the game no ekwakoto dwa na eno de wa na test ne Mexico nya no ena no pe ye de kakra adi aba dwumadio so na de mayentie de wa announcement no enso esi ekoye. Okay, nti Mobaka 2010. I want you nya Chabalala no. On say ye na your boy ye sick to new na. Ube say commentary ni name na Chabalala. Not just say 2010 World Cup. South Africa opener. Acha say omini Mexico. E boy sabepe and e ko enti we ye nkae dum kakra. Ye boy ase de ma na hu de wa. Ene mani nyina esi ekọ. Na World Cup no this tournament aye ko ye bo game ni we na man of the match. As is here no ye ba friend MVP no award no saying the city here yebo game we na man of the match when ye dey man no but enom enso aye most aye valuable player sabebe pen na chese yebe fe na MVP sabebe pen na trophy no enso si tentimu amadwane o YouTube no dey mu be hu dey we niam ni nyina esi etia but straight up no yemfa group ni nyina fa na we group A no urama saying the city here ubenya Mexico no anya South Africa na wanya Korea Republic afa UEFA wo mu bo playoff ho na Italy our answer Italy elbow playoff and to we are playoff not just said yede ba ko ababeka group A no ho uko group B a eno so nya Canada ana fe yebebo UEFA playoff no ba ko abeka ho no manya Qatar na fe Switzerland nso ababe wremo group C no Brazil Morocco Haiti ana afe Scotland ehode ye wie uko group D a also USA Paraguay Australia ana fe UEFA playoff no eno so ye ba benya ba ko ede aka ho uko group E a we benya Germany na wanya Curaçao na wanya aye Avicos na fe wanya Ecuador also ye wie uko group F a ye won Netherlands ye won Japan ana UEFA playoff ye bo wi a ba ko ba beka ho Tunisia also group F and uko group G a na aye ye nuanom aye Egypt afe Belgium Iran ana fe New Zealand uko group H a we benya Spain no wanya Quebec na wanya Saudi Arabia afe wanya Uruguay also na group I no we benya France na wanya Senegal no wanya UEFA playoff ni team bako ababeka no kra ye FIFA baby a DR Congo enam no womonso bako baba be pia ha ana afe no way enti hono enya sam goto jada ho afe group J no we benya Argentina na wanya Algeria wanya Austria na wanya Jordan also de ye wie uko group K a na Portugal afe so playoff no de Africa ye name no ye bo wie ye ba benya bako de aka ho yenya Uzbekistan na yenya Colombia afe group L the almighty group na Ghana ye wo mu no yanka se nuanom England from the ye ne omo but England or Croatia na afe yenya Panama and Ghana sabe be na group series no eno sum esikwa na se group no esikwa na no pen ye ka che kaka edi ama beta eno Gianni Infantino ekasa na ade na say ye dey pa before say ye ba be wram no already we niam esi ekwa Infantino ekasa ano cheso uha wake up we na nya asem ketwa ye event akukudam ene anim tire ana eba se na ebe nka yedum ede ama wi asa fa na nyina yentie nkoma kakra Gianni Infantino enso ade tu edwa.
Now we are welcoming everyone. We are here, of course, to celebrate the FIFA World Cup 2026 draw of what will be the greatest FIFA World Cup ever. It's much more than just a sporting event. It's simply the greatest event that humanity, that mankind has ever seen and will ever see. We have three beautiful countries, Mexico, Canada, and the United States. We have 16 wonderful host cities. We have 48 excellent teams from 48 different countries around the world who will compete in 104 matches to become the one and only world champion. What an exciting summer from the 11th of June to the 19th of July that we will have here. This will be unique, this will be stellar, this will be spectacular because we'll have 7 million people in the stadiums. We will have 2, 3, 4 times more millions of people coming to the US, to Canada, to Mexico just to feel the vibe of the World Cup. We'll have 6 billion people watching the World Cup from home, from all over the world.
And Timpato, wake up and do now heavy with fear. 6 billion or so Okambi. And no, I yasa Fanana Kuba time at as I will cancel more so paying Pochiano, I Jan Infantino, Komakaka. What did you do now? Penny Catty at the Amana and Winty, another America President Donald Trump, another Mubona Bazuka, give me yams as you. But on their prizes now, or the another, or more, Donald Trump, at as a Quanya Wafaso, Ama yine aya exceptional atase we ya ba be wram niam nyina aya kama enti anu ada omode niam kakra ade bo panyina ba so kwabna yede meda ma na nke se otwe me yede tunu koma na ozo no na me wanzo obi aboma ba so da yo wodi betumi kom na ase obi akoka so na oboma ba sa ha fama de ma me am fama de he ana Donald Trump ji na de na ja ono he na de kama enti anu ada Gianni Infantino recognize e etese ampa wa ma tournament e ba be successful no Koma kakwanso Donald Trump edit Twitter ewo dwumade so na before see ye ba be free Donald Trump de no so no eno ada na ebisa sa na America he on beje ano atese nyame anim ne sa America beje pa de kento beje no ohende anim na ono onim kwan bibia mu wodi nkunim ewom esa sa entokwa wa pata no kwa branya entokwa ketwa waso wa pata ntokwa mako enwotwe na wa pata ni nyina ya asumdwe wa satu bibia na wake up die eba bɛka ho ɛyɛ enkron ento hɛsɛ no so obetumi apata ama US man no agye World Cup no adi asi omana so a ɛne yɛn nkɔmɔ kakra so ɛtodwa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadie so.
Okay, young Tonsway na young Tonsway wake up na kasemuna fei. Young first stories ni bi emetefo nya show no live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na wana Roma. With the mame FIFA president say Gianni Infantino. Na Andro Infantino akasa bebre na adema kwa Infantino. Andro wakana enwanwa pa say nyame aduma June 2026 FIFA World Cup eba so United States of America, Canada and of Mexico no. We the greatest and as a greatest football event. Was it any the greatest football event? I bet we are saying if you say human civilization ever you know yenye event to be we are say be greatest at the 2026 FIFA World Cup ever so no and no Gianni Infantino sem kakra andra wadi to United States yere un sem pina emetie fo nyina e show no so na opta e de the tesa Richard nko for mo de aba opta e de omoso e de aba na according to opta wo mo say yemfa to obi anim say World Cup your favorite after say yeah group stages no the obetimaje FIFA World Cup e dey seen na so no e omeye from Spain na Spain e was 70% chance say ombaje World Cup e dey see omna so and what France e to so me no wom e 14.1%, England e to so me omo 11.8%, afi Argentina e to so 9 wom e 8.7%, Germany e to so num wom 7.1%, afi Portugal e to so nsia wom 6.6%. And after Brazil minor, woman toss and so on 5.6%. According to Opta, I say on my hair from Spain, woman energy World Cup and edition manaso. Now you say World Cup I bet me last World Cup. Eddie my brother say Cristiano Ronaldo and after Lionel Messi. Now say a commerce hand and I say I was in Bakuno. I said Messi already can't dada. Akasa Ronaldo and so FIFA World Cup. Eddie my from Portugal. Now they tell say Messi any Argentina. Woman group J now group J na omono woman omaya from say Algeria and which Austria and afi omaya she from say Argentina and as omaya from say Jordan woman group J afi uko group K e ho ana Portugal mine na Portugal ene omaya she from say Uzbekistan and afi Colombia and afi playoff ba ko so be kan ho na afi group A K no aye complete na mame fatu unim say Argentina wom etimi etopi omo group na Portugal man esu etimi topi omu group na gomu nyina advance edi free anase round of 16 na omu kokota finals a gomu ebesia na chese yebetimi enya Argentina ana fe Portugal World Cup quarter final eni ampoye bedwa osanse omu yi Ronaldo dia man obe super sanse Messi edi kanji World Cup da ono onyi bi eti nani so ade nyina se obeje World Cup edi ma Portugal man ti likely se nyame aduma World Cup ayekoi quarter finals yebetimi enya Argentina ana fe Portugal quarter finals na enu achinde tie say your strong countries bia womu so nyina ebetima hia quarter finals na the test say France, Netherlands, Spain, Belgium, Brazil, England, and of Argentina and Portugal. Women in a team qualify from group. Now, on topic group now. When you say you have team and your quarter final matches are you France and Netherlands, Spain and Belgium, Brazil and England, and of Argentina and Portugal. It's in Yamia no wake up with you. I'm say quarter finals. Be a question ourselves matches in the Penano Pano. You don't want some pina Emma Tiffin show so away from wake up and send some young Spain. Now, of course, Spain under and Supreme Court, Spain. Woman order Ebaye. Now, order me say, Omakache La Liga for say, woman 8.8 million euros and from Real Madrid. Now, according to court, almost say infringement. Woman Adiabo Tima and I say, Omadiabo La Liga for now, they test since 2015 and I saw infringement number. Now, and watching the court and say, La Liga enter 88 million euros and from a club, to say Deportivo Alaves and watch Albacete, Alcorcon, and watch UD Ameria, Afe Athletic Club de Bilbao, Cordoba, Elche, Tarragona, Girona, Huesca, Leganés, Women Totos, Ecosi, Terranefe, Real Zaragoza, and 88 million euros. Women to Adamasa clubs winning an affair. Women to 8.8 million euros. Adama Real Madrid team and Anopeno. yɛre wo nsɛm ɛma tiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no so na sɛ sɛ deɛ ɛm sɛ ayɛ likely sɛ Ghana Jabrantina fan sɛ Antoine Semenyo gumenya free AFC Bournemouth na on sɛ Andro na Ghana yɛ head coach fan sɛ Otuado na o United States of America tema na draw ɛkɔ so na Otuado ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛyɛ draw no ɛna alertes for any Otuado coding komo ɛno mbusan about Antoine Semenyo na unim sɛ Ghana coach fan sɛ Otuado ɛsɛ all respect ɛma tima je from sɛ Bournemouth pa na mom dobetima aka ne sɛ Abrantia fan sɛ Antoine Semenyo ɛwɔ sɛ ofri Bournemouth na ɔkɔpɛ tima ɛso na ɔbɔsan sɛ boy no bon onimbo pa na mom sɛ odi kan all respect ɛma tima from sɛ FC Bournemouth na mom ɛwɔ sɛ Abrantia fan sɛ Antoine Semenyo ɛkɔ ɛno ɛyɛ Otuado andro nsema wɔre kɔto gya ɛwɔ US abɔnten so ɛna no pay no yɛre update ɛma tiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no so na ɔkɔ Barca ano na Barca for ɛde ba sɛ wɔn Abrantia fan sɛ Juan anase Eric Garcia ɔma extend contract ɛma no na ɛyɛ until June 2031 ɛna Eric Garcia ɛbɔ ne ball ɛma tima je from sɛ FC Barcelona na sporting director ɛma Barca Deco sɛ yɛmfa to obianim sɛ good news ɛsɛ excellent news ɛma tima je from sɛ Barca ɛsan sɛ Eric Garcia important player na deɛ na amene nya gye boy ne ho pa ne sɛ Eric Garcia oba Barca waka players a de be sibia on complain no bibia emfa no na osa just 24 years just osapa betima bobo mo e de matima from se Barca eno de konsam kakra ndo a wode tu dwane won sam ematifo nyina e show no so na Pep Guardiola akasa e de fa Enzo Maresca ho obeka Enzo Maresca okoye assistant manager e de ma Pep Guardiola me kai pa tima you from say Man City omoji UEFA Champions League 2023 na Enzo Maresca assistant coach and ma Pep Guardiola na Guardiola say Enzo Maresca one of the best coaches we say na wo hwe adwuma why dem Chelsea say waje Conference League waje Club World Cup and wachi wade young squad na wade qualify Chelsea and ma ko UEFA Champions League just manager only madwuma panemum na no rotation kito bi akoye no kalisi fo no egunani man say Chelsea anasa Chelsea Premier League emu ade pa eno Pep Guardiola sem kakrandra wode tu jare won sem pina ematifo nyina show no so na many can catch us according to Opta was Spain energy World Cup edition na so Luis de la Fuente head coach Edma de la Fulla Roja Spain na manager na say yemfa to wi no say sa favoritism tasker yadema omaye from Spain no gono wontimi kan won hwa na mum de betima kan ene se enya de bedi display for omutimu da wonim se omo favorite e wo se gumutimeje World Cup edition na so na wase yemfa to obianim se woni Argentina head coach afese Linus Scaloni akasa na wakache Scaloni se bon Argentina for bon omuni bopa enti ono Spain wo pese omushi Argentina e wo World Cup no mo kire omo wabre no mo kire hwan ena anya bia no bon onimbo eno Luis de la Fuente ena de sansen atuja eno Carlo Ancelotti wono so the Seleção Brazil national team head coach na manager Andro no so e United States of America na omokobu na ba Neymar won say manager ne ba no omo from say Brazil obekea America be story e dem say yes Brazil for no press conference bia no question omo tabisa pa e Neymar say omo de be World Cup and say omo fa Neymar enko World Cup na Andro manager for say Carlo Ancelotti say will clarify bibia or stating emphatically clear e de akire obia se nyame ya aduma World Cup next year June na next year May and the final squad or the beba na wasi yo December minimum do wetima ka e de akire obia ne say Neymar beko World Cup and I say onkwa ejina Neymar ne fitness and watch Neymar e money boss eduru May na say Neymar e money bon eduru players I say o man from say Brazil e wona odom beko Neymar say ne money bon enduru do beja no fie eno e opinion from say Carlo Ancelotti and the sense na to jena no pay no jere won sam ematifo nyina e show so na Deco say o ye Barca supporter yemfa to obi anim say early days yet say e bedi enkomo e dey fa transfers ho na wonim say enchekra na transfer window ebie nimum do betima kan se Barca enya discuss so ometo player bia what is enkrofo eka Julian Alvarez any Hurricane nimum according to Barca sporting director, I say we are Barca supporting yan to Barca fee and penifo eguso moyeno manemum woman to me saying I'm to my January woman ever top player and I say I want top player and I deco and the Sansim Etuja now me kaipa tama Chelsea ekolusie our way editor Leeds United you Chelsea legend defense John Terry ever carry players repa now John Terry by no catch players say won't me any team you from say Arsenal Emma 1-1 abra obo numerical disadvantage. Now one trophy now we shall Barca 3-0 now on comma team from Leeds United and shot 3-1 a Barca and Chaye now Andra manager for Enzo Malas company for Busano and I say and some for Ebisan said what is John Terrinka now according to Chelsea manager no was it one who say why confused now say you on yes over the same lineup and toss of 5 matches there as I say why rotation Kaklebia not team assistant say go there on and Enzo Maraska and some Kaklodi Chujanano Pino Jerome Sempina telephone na show no so na Alexander Isaac asien fa to obianim say ensema mo ka bia wate na ono Alexander Isaac ne say enkoye ohu say ekoye nso ohu na de mo ka bia no de atonachi wono wonim say game against West Ham United otimi she goal the first Premier League goal enema Liverpool eti won say ne money bon asase e koso ne mom de mbe ka de atonachi wo focus de e wo so ye e de ball Liverpool e no be ye e no Alexander Isaac nti ya de nyina si live on Nhyira 104.5 Richardo
Andy Costa on Gabi to am na mase na ye famsia ma akweti mienu na motimi akọ so na Fifi Manfred and na Bismarck Ozu Bempire la emeka mo na etiefo